Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Today, we are going to take an even deeper and more comforting journey into one of the most beloved homemade desserts you can ever create, the chocolate banana cake, a soft, moist and richly flavored treat that brings together the natural sweetness of overripe bananas and the deep, slightly bittersweet taste of cocoa, forming a perfect harmony that feels warm, familiar, and deeply satisfying in every single bite. And as we begin this kitchen story, imagine a slow, peaceful day at home where time seems to move gently, where the light coming through the window softly touches the kitchen counter, and where everything feels calm enough to inspire baking. And there, sitting quietly on the counter, are a few overripe bananas, their skins covered in dark freckles, soft and fragrant, often overlooked or even thrown away, but in reality, they are at their peak of flavor, fully developed in sweetness and aroma, just waiting for someone to turn them into something truly special. Instead of seeing them as wasted fruit, we see possibility, and we begin transforming these ripe bananas into the foundation of a homemade chocolate banana cake, a recipe that reminds us that some of the most comforting desserts come from the simplest ingredients, and the process begins gently, by peeling the bananas and placing them into a large mixing bowl, where they are mashed slowly using a fork or potato masher until they become smooth, creamy, and slightly thick, releasing a naturally sweet fragrance that fills the kitchen almost instantly, a scent that feels nostalgic and comforting even if you are making this recipe for the first time. And as the bananas break down completely, they form a soft, rich base that will give the cake its moisture, flavor, and signature tenderness. From here, we begin building the structure of the batter, starting with the wet ingredients, adding a few eggs that bring richness, stability, and structure to the cake while also helping everything bind together smoothly, followed by sugar, which enhances the natural sweetness of the bananas without overpowering them, and then a splash of milk or yogurt is added, giving the batter extra moisture and softness, ensuring that the final cake will be tender and light rather than dry or dense. And as everything is whisked together, the mixture slowly transforms into a smooth, golden, and creamy base that already feels alive with flavor. And at this stage, a touch of vegetable oil or melted butter can also be added to increase richness, giving the cake a moist texture that stays soft even after days, making each slice just as enjoyable as the first. Once the wet mixture is fully combined, we carefully move on to the dry ingredients, sifting in flour to create structure and stability, baking powder to give the cake its lift and airy texture, and a small pinch of salt to balance all the sweetness and enhance the overall flavor profile. And then comes the defining moment of transformation, the addition of cocoa powder, deep, dark, and aromatic, which instantly changes everything about the batter, turning it from a light banana mixture into a rich chocolate base, thickening the texture and deepening the color into a luxurious brown that already looks like something straight out of a bakery, while the aroma of chocolate begins to rise and blend beautifully with the banana, creating a scent that feels both indulgent and comforting at the same time. As we gently fold everything together, the batter begins to take its final form, and here patience becomes important, because overmixing can remove the air that keeps the cake soft and fluffy. So we mix slowly, carefully, just until everything is combined and no dry flour remains visible. And at this point, optional ingredients such as vanilla extract can be added to enhance aroma with a subtle sweetness, or melted butter can be incorporated for a richer, smoother mouthfeel. And for those who enjoy texture, chocolate chips or chopped nuts can also be added, creating small surprises inside the cake that melt or crunch with every bite. And once the batter becomes thick, smooth, and fully unified, it is ready for baking. That is how we create a soft, moist, and rich chocolate banana cake with simple ingredients and easy steps. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.